Hello my loves, welcome back to another video, and if this is your first time stopping by, welcome to the Veggie Rose channel. Don't forget to subscribe if you like this video and you are interested in delicious food. So today I'm going to be making a vegan tuna / vegan crab recipe that is so good, and it really does taste like, you know, like tuna in the ocean, and it's so good, and you can make it into so many different recipes. You could do like a tuna salad, you can do like a crab meat salad or crab cakes with it. It's so versatile. Let's get to it. First thing you'll need is 3 cups of water, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 1½ teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 1½ teaspoons of Old Bay seasoning, and 3 teaspoons of sugar. Also into the broth goes 1 cup of dashi kombu, aka dried kelp. And this is what's going to give you that fish oceany taste. Simmer the broth for 10 minutes and prep half a block of tofu in the meantime. I used super firm tofu for this, but you can use extra firm if you can't find super firm. Just grate it and loosely pull apart some pieces for extra texture. Pour 1/3 of the broth into a bowl and the rest into a separate bowl. This ingredient is totally optional and is just for color. 2 teaspoons of beetroot powder goes into the smaller broth batch. Add 1/3 of the tofu into the red broth and the rest into the other and marinate for 15 minutes. At this point, you can drain and squeeze out any excess broth. Also, if you would like to help keep this channel running, catch some behind the scenes footage and live streams, please support this channel on Patreon because your support is highly appreciated. As for storage, you can also freeze this in an airtight container for 3 to 5 months. If you guys would like to see a vegan calamari / shrimp recipe, don't forget to check out this video right here. It is delicious and super easy, so check that out. Also, check out the other one if you're not interested in watching that. So, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I will see you guys next week.